Hi, welcome to Mom How Do I? Today I'm going to teach you how to clean a bathroom. Here are some items that you're going to want to clean your bathroom. You're going to want some spray with half water, half white vinegar, some toilet bowl cleaner, some glass cleaner, baking soda, paper towels, disinfecting wipes, and a microfiber cloth. You'll also want a magic eraser for those really tough spots. Put some gloves on before you start cleaning. This protects your hands from cleaning chemicals, as well as any gross things you might encounter when cleaning the bathroom. The first step to clean your bathroom is tidying up. That means picking up all of the items that are around your bathroom and putting them where they go. As you can see, it's important to clean off each item before you put it away. That gets the dirt, dust, sprays, etc. off of your items. Here is an organizational trick that I love to use. It's a shoe organizer for your door, but we keep this one in the bathroom and put bathroom items in it. It's nice because you can see everything you need and access it easily. Once everything is cleaned off and where it goes, take the items that go on the counter and place them to the side. Then, we are going to take our spray bottle, which is filled with half water and half vinegar, and spray the counter. Make sure to spray the faucet and sink too. Then go over to the toilet. Spray the whole thing. Make sure to get the top, sides, base, and each layer of the toilet seat. If you ever have any really dirty spots, use some baking soda and sprinkle it over the area before soaking it with your spray. Remove all the shampoos, shaving cream, conditioner, etc. from your bath and shower area. Then spray all of your bathtub too. Next, we are going to put the toilet bowl cleaner in the toilet. Put it around the base of the toilet and let the cleaner run down. Let everything sit for about 5 minutes. Now we are ready to wipe everything down. I like using a microfiber cloth because it is soft on the surfaces, but any towel or rag will do. This is also the place where you can use your magic eraser sponge to clean any hard to get spots that don't come off by wiping them down with a cloth. When you're wiping your bathtub, put your curtains over the rod like this. It makes it much easier to clean your entire tub. Feel free to add more spray as you see the need, and change the cloth if it gets too wet. Make sure you are cleaning your entire bathtub, especially the top and sides. Now, we're going to take the toilet cleaning brush and scrub that toilet cleaner around the inside of the toilet. You will want to use a paper towel when cleaning the water and vinegar spray off of the surrounding areas of the toilet. This way, you can just discard the paper towels and not spread toilet germs around the entire bathroom. It is so important to remember the bottom base of the toilet. A lot of people forget this part, and it can get dirty easily. Time to clean the mirror. Spray glass cleaner on the mirror, then wipe it off in a circular motion with a paper towel. Go over everything with a Clorox wipe, just for good measure. This cleans up any streaks that your towel might have left behind and adds a new layer of disinfectant to the entire surface of your bathroom. This is also a good time to go over any extra structures that you have in your bathroom, such as this over-the-toilet organizer. When you are done wiping everything with a Clorox wipe, put the items that go on the counter and in the shower back. And we are ready to clean the floor. If you have a bath mat, make sure to shake it out well. Now we are ready to sweep. Make sure you get underneath the counters, behind the toilet, and in every corner of the room. Sweep everything up and dump it into the garbage. I took the garbage out at this point, but it was a bit too early. You probably want to wait until after you finish mopping. Take the broom and garbage out of the bathroom and replace the garbage bag. Grab a mop pad. Usually for small areas like a bathroom, getting the entire mop out can be a waste of time. Mop pads work great. Go over the entire floor of the bathroom, paying close attention to the areas surrounding and behind the toilet. And there you have it, a nice clean bathroom.
Mom?